Jim Brown, how are you, man?
Fine, sir. Good to see you, Tim.
Good to see you, Jim. Good to see your car, too. Look at this baby.
Yeah.
Old classic Desoto Wagon, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What year is it, Jim?
1952.
52 Wagon. I'm a big fan of the wagons. I drive a 85 Classic Caprice. That's my car. Yeah, it's modern compared to what you have here. This thing's gorgeous, man. The body styling, the chrome on the grill to the hood, the nose emblems. You got the spotlights on it. Is that factory stuff as well?
No.
Okay.
All this is, but not spotlights are extra. That was an accessory.
Okay. How long have you owned the car?
I owned the car since '07.
Okay.
About 11 years.
Yeah.
11, 12 years. Yep.
Did you have to restore it or anything when you got it?
Well, it was in about 10 million pieces when I got it.
Yeah. Okay. One of those. Yeah.
Totally torn down. Yeah. And 52 DeSoto wagon. It's got an 85 Monte Carlo Super Sport running gear under it. 350 Chevrolet engine, 700R overdrive transmission, air brakes, power steering, stereo, 8-way power seats both sides. It's a driver.
Yeah, that thing's not original. You can get on the highway and cruise in that baby, right?
It'll run 75 miles an hour all day.
Yeah.
Yep.
Well, suspension, you got the original equipment there?
No, it's 85 Monte Carlo Super Sport.
Okay, everything's Monte Carlo under it.
Only thing it's original is the body and the frame.
Okay.
Yep.
So the wheelbase, you didn't have to move it or anything?
No.
That's money.
No.
No,
the Monte Carlo fit width-wise, everything. Like I say,
who knew you can interchange a Monte Carlo and a DeSoto wagon?
Yep.
Super sweet, man. So how far did you drive it, man? Where are you from?
Well, I'm from here in Chattanooga, but we've got 25,000 miles on it, and been to Biloxi, Mississippi, down and back, cruising the coast.
I see the cruising the coast stickers. You got both sides of the windshields lined up. You've been enjoying this thing.
Yes, sir.
Yes. I'm surprised I didn't see you down there last year or something.
Well, there's about 14,000 cars, and it stretches for 26 miles from Ocean Springs down to Bay St. Louis. It's hard to find someone down there.
Yep. We shoot a lot of video in Bay St. Louis. Yeah, we love that spot down there in Ocean Springs.
There you go.
Yeah.
Good
so
sounds.
Maybe we'll see you down there in the future, man. Hey, is it any big deal to pop the hood and check out what's that Monte Carlo running gear?
Well, like I say, with it dirty like it is, I'll show you, but don't pay attention to the dirt.
Jim Brown says it's dirty. Hey, man, you said that was Chevy stuff. I'm looking at Chrysler Firepower. Dude, that looks like a Hemi. What's going on here?
Well, it originally was a Hemi engine. It was a 331. First year DeSoto had the Hemi, but 331 cubes and 160 horsepower just wouldn't get it. So it's got a 350 with 700R. Like I say, it goes down the road pretty good.
Jim's faking it. He's got a fake Hemi. That's a Chevy motor. Oh man, I've only saw that done once. The whole time we've been doing.
This makes twice.
Yes.
There you go.
Yeah, that makes twice, man. How you get those valve covers to fit on there, man? What'd you do?
Well, underneath, took a piece of plywood and made a template for the small block Chevrolet valve cover.
Yeah.
Just set it down over that. And then if you'll notice, I've got two braces. Got a brace here in the front and a brace in the back. Run my spark plug wires down through the Hemi hole, down behind my headers. And
gotcha. That's how you. Yep. That's how you wired it up, man. That is very unique, sir. You could probably fool a lot of people, at first glance there.
Chrysler experts. They just had one guy ask me a big question. He said, "I got one question about the whole thing." He said, "How'd you get that Chevrolet water pump on that Hemi engine?" I said, "It wasn't easy."
You have fun with this thing. What a conversation piece, man.
Very rare. Only 550 of them made.
Yeah.
So.
Only 550 made of the body, right? The DeSoto?
Of the station wagon. Yes.
Yeah.
Yep.
That's a rare car, man.
Very rare.
Yeah.
Never seen another one like it. And I've never had anyone come up to me and say, "My daddy had one just like that."
Jim Brown, thanks for showing your ride here on Hot Rod Madness, buddy. What a car.